So the process to add address or add a new address on Shein app is quite easy and simple. Just go and open up your app, and it is same for Android as well as iPhone. Once you are here, you need to go and tap on this person icon at the right bottom corner. This would open up your account. And once you are here, you need to go and tap on this settings gear at the right top corner. So this is a setting gear at the right top corner. Tap on this. This would open up settings. And at the settings at the top, you have address book. Tap on address book. Now here you have an option of adding a shipping address. Just go and add the shipping address. I would just put something random, and then you have to put in the address. Just put it in. And now also have to put in the phone number. And once you have done so, you can, if you want to make it the new address as default, just go and turn this on and tap on save, and your new address will be saved. And yeah, so the process is quite simple. Hope this video has helped you, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.